Hello everyone, welcome back to 20th lecture of microcontroller course. So in this lecture I am going to explain the interfacing of a traffic light controller by using 8051. So traffic light, you can see at any metropolitan cities, uh, three different signals will be there. So we may call it as a signal also, because that indicates whether the traffic move or whether the traffic is need to stay back on the road. So that will be judged based on the traffic light signals on a road. So there are four way in traffic controller, that is different four ways are there: north, west, south and east. So here is a picture which indicates the north way, west way, south way and east way. So for each way it was represented with the three signals, that is three signals. Here the green signal, which indicates allow the traffic to proceed. If the green signal is enabled, the traffic will be cleared, though the vehicles may be travel either to north, east or south. And if it is amber or yellow color, that indicates to prepare to stop or a short of the intersection. That means get ready to pause or get ready to stop the vehicle. And if it is in red symbol, that indicates the traffic is prohibited, no vehicles need to move, all the traffics need to be shut down. So this is three symbols. We are going to energize these three symbols alternatively. That means some procedures are there. That means if the green signal is enabled in the west, all the north, east and south, all the traffic signals make it as a red. And the same procedure will follow for north. If north green signal is enabled, remaining east, south and west, all the signals will be make it as red. And so this is the first challenge. And the next challenge is, after completion of some count, we need to transit from green to yellow. We need to that is transition from green to yellow, we need some small time, because this yellow indicates that it will give a small counter time to make transition from green to red, that is yellow to red or yellow to green. That indicates some gap between red to green. So that will be programmed by using a small delay, or you may call it as a super delay also. So here, in order to interface the traffic light control, I will assign the pins to the four different ways. That is north is using the three pins are there, that is red, yellow and green. So red is assigned for 3.2, yellow is for 3.3, p 3.4 is for green, 3.5, 3.6 and 3.7 for west, and 1.2, 1.3, 1.0 to 1.3 for south, and for east 1.3 to 1.5. So port pins are connected to 8051 microcontroller. So allow the traffic from west to east, allow that this traffic to west to east and east to west for time t1 seconds. We'll make some counter value, that is t1 seconds, some delay, and allow the wait for the t2 seconds and wait for some time, and again allow the traffic to move from north to south, south to north, make with the time t1 second, and make some delay of t2 second. So now we are going to program this logic by using 8051C. here is a embedded C program or 8051 C program. By using this C program, we can able to control the traffic. So I am going to represent north, east, west and south with the symbols A, B, C, D. So I need to make the set bit, so no need to represent this register 51H. So some small mistake is there, because I am directly mentioning the bits S bit, single bit RA is to port 1.0, and this is red, yellow and green. After that next B represents with the port P3.2 to P3.4 and C from 3.5 to 3.7 and D from P1.3 to 1.5. So total 2 ports are used here, port 1 and port 3. So void delay, here I am defining some 2 delays are found. I already told that delay. So this delay is used for, this delay program is used to transit from green to red. That means only one way is make it as green, remaining all make it as a red. So for that purpose we are using the timer T1 seconds, nothing but a delay, and T2 second transition from yellow to red or yellow to green, which uses this super delay. Okay, so void main, so open up the program and will pass P3 is equal to 0 while condition. So here the energizing the signals to particular signals to A, B, C, D. That means, for example, this is with respect to this one, that is north, west, south, east. North is A, west is B, south is C and east is D. So if north is energized, that is in green condition, so remaining all is in red condition. Okay, that means now the north way is ready to create, that is it is in yellow condition, not in green. So remaining all or is in condition of red. Only the north way is traffic is now in ready state. So after some delay it will start to, that is 001, the green is gets enabled. So green is enabled, so then it will calls for a long delay, that means some time, that is transition from yellow to green, it is super delay. So after that it will use the long delay. Same way for after completion of next north way, it will go to west, that is west symbol is yellow light is gets turned on. After some small delay it will become green, that is 01. So then it will call for the long delay and it will go to the south side, yellow light is gets enabled, and after the small delay it will become green and it will gives the long delay. So after that, so last signal, that is east signal is now in yellow. After the small delay it will convert it into green, then long delay, and this process will be repeatedly execute in 8051. So in order to maintain the traffic.